AET 114, Chapter 19, Example 16, Thevenin equivalent. Find the Thevenin equivalent for the portion of the network external to the elements A and B. So they've already identified this part of the circuit and labeled these A and B. The next step is to find the Thevenin equivalent impedance. So what you would do is short out the voltage source as shown here, and then look at the impedance across these two terminals, which is going to be Z1 in parallel with Z2 added to Z3 as shown here. So Z3 is going to be J6 or 6 angle positive 90, and Z2 is going to be minus J3K. I'm sorry, this is minus J6K, or 3K angle of negative 90, and then this is just going to be 2K angle 0 or just 2K. So here you have the 2K in parallel with 3K, which is going to be Z1 in parallel with Z2. You do the math there. It's this times this over this plus this. So in the denominator, don't forget to convert to rectangular and then add and then go back to polar and divide after you multiply in the numerator. And then you have to convert this to rectangular to add to this. That's how they got that answer. Then they converted to pure rectangular here and then pure polar here. So that's the Thevenin impedance. And so then to calculate the Thevenin voltage, what you do is you put the current or voltage source back in, and then you're calculating the voltage open circuit across here. So if this is open circuit, there's no current going through Z3, so the Thevenin voltage that you're looking for is across Z2. You can use a voltage divider. So then the formula would be E times Z2 all over Z1 plus Z2. Again, you do the math here. I'm not going to go over it again, but use rectangular to add or subtract, polar to multiply or divide, and then you get this, and this is your answer. So then what they're not showing you is it would be this Thevenin voltage in series with this Thevenin impedance would be the equivalent of this circuit right here between A and B on this side of it, the black side. Okay, so this is your Thevenin voltage, your Thevenin impedance. You could replace everything here with E Thevenin in series with Z Thevenin.